So is TurboTax worth it? You are going to be paying a premium cost. So if you are comfortable with paying the higher prices for a really relaxed experience inside of the tax software, then it's going to be worth it for you. Most people with complex tax filing situations are going to tell you that the time that they save using TurboTax is worth the cost. It's not worth the extra effort to save a buck or two if you're spending hours upon hours in a tax software that really just isn't up to snuff when it comes to some of those more complex tax filing situations. And you have to look at your own tax filing situation. If you have a very simple situation, then you may want to look for something that's a bargain tax software like a Free Tax USA, especially if you have those simple forms of just like a W-2, you have maybe an HSA or a student loan interest form, and that's it. If you have a simple tax filing situation, then you may want to look elsewhere for a cheaper alternative.